Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off audio description on Xfinity TV using just your phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Xfinity Stream or Xfinity TV app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, pick any channel or show and start playing. Audio description settings are adjusted while the video is playing. While the video is playing, tap the screen to show the playback menu. For the audio and subtitles icon, usually a little switch bubble or setting symbol, tap on it. In the audio menu, you will see a list of audio tracks. Look for audio description or descriptive audio. Tap the regular audio track instead of audio description. This will switch back to normal sound. Close the menu and continue watching. You should now hear the show without the descriptive audio. This settings usually stays on for future shows unless you change it again. And that's all. You have just turned off audio description on Xfinity using just your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.